Randos here. And tonight, we got another special demo for you. Who do we got tonight with us?
Hello!
It's Sergeant Pyro. You knew that. What do we got tonight, Sergeant Pyro?
10-ball color with bomb
Candle, there we go. And again, these come in an assortment pack. It's a 12-piece, and there's 2 of each candles by Dominator Fireworks. Now, Sergeant Pyro, let's just take a look for our audience, our YouTubers, our subscribers, hopefully new subscribers. And there we go, dominatorfireworks.com. Great quality, great fireworks. There we go. Yeah, no effects, but if you're familiar with Roman candles, we're going to see what the bomb can do for you. Are you ready to go to the street cam?
Let's go.
Let's go to the street pad, and we'll use the street cam. Yeah. Light away, Sergeant Pyro. Here we go. What do we got? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Sergeant Pyro Vision. Maybe we just invented something new, Sergeant Pyro. Woo! Whoa!